Hi everyone! We're giving a room tour of our premier ocean view room at the Sheraton Princess Kaiulani in Waikiki, Oahu. The room had 2 double beds and a flat screen TV. There was this little desk area with the coffee maker. They did give us some Royal Kona coffee, both regular and decaf. There was tea too, but no kettle to boil the water. In the closet, you'll find the ice bucket, the safe, and this mini fridge. Sadly, there's nothing in it. You'll find the hairdryer and some extra tissues and toilet paper in there as well. And on the other side of the closet, you have the iron, an ironing board, and some hangers. The bathroom was quite tiny, but it was clean. There were some toiletries provided, some lotion and conditioning shampoo, and a bar of soap. The shower had good water pressure, but it was pretty outdated but clean as well. The view was the highlight of the room. The lanai was quite large and had 2 chairs and a little table. It was really nice having coffee out here in the mornings. You can see the ocean to the left, and all of Waikiki in front of you, and then the mountains on the right. Breakfast is served in the splash bar, which is located on the main floor by the pool. It's quite nice and open air, or you can sit under the covered area where we were sitting. Right behind the splash bar is a little games area with foosball table and some table tennis. By the elevators, there's a mail collection slot. If you want to send any postcards. And on each floor by the elevators, you will see the mail slot there, which we thought was pretty neat. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos and food adventures. And while you're at it, check out our Instagram at Soulmate Adventures. Thanks!